Here I have Samsung Galaxy Tab S2 and let me show you how to enter and how to use Do Not Disturb mode on the following device. So if you would like to quickly activate Do Not Disturb mode, let's use an upper bar twice, find Do Not Disturb and let's tap it. Now Do Not Disturb is activated. If you would like to change some settings about Do Not Disturb, let's tap apps icon, find and select settings. Let's scroll down and let's choose Do Not Disturb. As you can see here, we've got the settings connected to Do Not Disturb. You can change some exceptions. For example, you can choose the no exception mode, alarms only, or just custom mode. And here you can handle with repeat callers. You can disable alarms. You can handle with messages, for example, only from favorite contacts. You can enable reminders and other stuff. Let's go back. You may also use the scheduled feature, so you can, for example, turn on Do Not Disturb mode every Monday, every day, or every weekend on the exact date time. So that's it. If you would like to quit Do Not Disturb, let's use upper bar twice and let's tap Do Not Disturb one more time, and that's it. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.